Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on save login information on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon like this. Now click on these three lines, click settings and privacy. Now you will find security, click on it, and here as you see you will find save login information. Just click like this and this will be turned on, and that's how to turn on save login informations easily, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.